Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your personal computer using an emulator. First, ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements, which typically include at least 4 GB of RAM, a dual-core processor, and a graphics card with DirectX 11 support. This setup provides a much larger display and more precise controls, enhancing your gameplay significantly. We'll cover everything from choosing the right emulator to optimizing your settings for the best performance. Selecting the right emulator is crucial for a seamless experience. Popular choices include GameLoop, which is officially recommended for PUBG Mobile, and BlueStacks, known for its versatility. Consider factors like performance, ease of use, and specific features such as key mapping customization. Once you've made your choice, download the installer from the official website and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation usually takes only a few minutes, preparing your system for the next step. With your emulator installed, the next step is to get PUBG Mobile running. Open the emulator and navigate to its app store, typically the Google Play Store. Search for PUBG Mobile and click Install. Once downloaded, launch the game. The emulator usually provides default key mappings for keyboard and mouse, but you can customize these to your preference. Adjust in-game graphics settings to balance visual quality and frame rate, aiming for 60 frames per second for competitive play. To truly master PUBG Mobile on PC, optimization is key. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date and allocate sufficient RAM to your emulator, perhaps 4 GB or more if your system allows. Experiment with different display resolutions within the emulator for sharper visuals. For better aim, adjust mouse sensitivity both in the emulator and in-game. Practice regularly in the training grounds to familiarize yourself with the controls and gain a competitive edge over other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.